Philippines, we are artists from the Philippines. We are comedians, okay?
So happy, you all feel that.
Oh, me too. I'm so happy. I'm so happy also to see you here. And then, oh my God, you know what? I have a surprise. What? I'm pregnant. And you know what? The head of the baby is coming out here.
How about the tail?
No, I'm just kidding. You're okay? You're single.
Amen.
Your wife is here?
Oh, no.
She's in Sri Lanka?
No, she's a Filipino.
Where is she right now?
She's
She's with other some guy?
busy with the work.
She's busy with?
With the work.
With the work. With the work. She's not working. She's with other guy. Yeah. Guys, go with me, okay? Come on. Let's make a new family. Come on.
Yeah.
She's so beautiful, right? Yeah. You know what? With me, oh, you will have a lot. Especially me. Look at me. Oh, you have a girlfriend. You have a boyfriend.
You want to see your brother?
You wanna go there? Maybe we can go
But you know
alone.
what? Kidding aside, chef and to you, the food here, so...
Grabe yung steak,
Grabe.
napakasarap.
Totoo dito.
Oo, natikman mo yung
You
steak.
say, oh man.
Oh my God, it's so fun.
Wow! Tama. Okay, we will sing a song together. Just stay there, okay? And when you hear the word halik, you know halik? It's kiss. It means
Kiss.
Okay, you need to kiss one. The one to offer.
You choose.
Like example, ang halik mo. Okay, you need to kiss. You like her or you like me? Okay? It's okay? Because if you will not do that, what? There is a penalty.
Yeah, penalty.
You need to pay $100.
You're a liar!
I am beautiful.
Me and Unico?
Should be. No. Ano yung pagkaya niyo papiya? Yun. Hindi mo alam kung iya o yak eh. when you cover the food, if it's hot, it will get spoiled easier. Okay? So just you don't move, okay?
Don't worry, sir.
We will not hold that.
Don't worry, if they're walking, if they won't, don't worry, we're gonna pay.
So just we will not do that, okay? Unless you will follow the rule. Okay?
Yeah, just follow the rule.
Oh, let's example, okay? So when you hear the word, it's either she or me will say that word.
Are you sure, Donekla, that she?
She.
She?
She.
Are you referring for she?
Yeah, she.
Are you sure?
She. Yeah.
No, it's
What?
he. No,
No, she.
she. I know. She. He. It. Shit.
Okay, you choose one for me. Play DJ.
You're a liar.
I am beautiful.
Me, I'm beautiful.
Should be. No. Ay, yung pagkaya niyo papiyak, yun. Hindi ko alam kung iya o yak eh. Bago. Pakiulit. Oh, share my life when you're in the morning. Mali.